Good morning, everyone. Ebba here, sitting in a flea market. I am right now in the middle of prepping photos of cards, I should say. I've made all the cards that I made before, whether I was online or not. I'm going to put up on the wall here and sell them. And I have made header tags to go on to each of the things. I'm putting them into sleeves, so nice plastic sleeves. And I'm making them so that they can be opened on the bottom. So if people want to look at them, they can. I would prefer they didn't because it makes it makes them mucky after a while. So hence they're in there on the label on the back of it. I've actually put in what the inside sentiment says, so that people know and they know what kind of a card it is and things like that. So that's what I'm working on right now. Gary, as you may be able to see behind me on the wall, is going to be selling some of his photos. He's also doing card reading. So we're hoping that somehow it'll all come together for me tonight.
This is the new look of our group.
Yeah.
Change quite a bit since the last video.
Yeah, we were going to bring you along on that, switching everything around, but it got a little chaotic. So we decided not to bother with the camera. But yes. So we're going to be working today. I'm going to be working steady, and Gary's going to be hanging things for me. I don't have a lot of clips to go on the wall to hang things on right now, so I'll have to be careful with how I hang. But we can put 2, maybe 3 cards on each hanger, and we have a dozen good sized ones for these. I still have to get a hole punch, but I can use one of my other hole punch, a 3-hole punch thing, and just punch 1 hole in each of the cards before I staple them onto the cards. So that's kind of the plan for today. Flea is over in the corner behind Gary. She has her bed back there and her brother and everything. Come forward. Come and say hello. Come and say hello to the people. At some point I will start using things again in front of the camera. And getting back into that, I'm really excited to be going to do that again. I'm not really sure at this point what I'm going to be doing. So, sort of watch for because I'm not sure. I may bring out my loom knitting because I did start making something and do a bit of loom knitting just to kind of show that. But I may not. I did make something completed a cowl. It's a double thickness cowl. It's very warm. And Gary tried it on and you can see that. It looks quite nice. And it went over his head, which he has a larger head. So. Yeah. I don't know if she's smiling, but I didn't say he did. But he does have a larger head. So at least some people have smaller heads, some larger heads. And if you can make a cowl that fits over a larger head comfortably and feels good, it's good. It's a good thing. So I did make that. And I am currently working on a child scarf because it's very narrow. So it's a child scarf, and I'll make a hat to go with it, a little hat to go with it. And that should be a nice looking set. It's some kind of green, white, and red. It's kind of mottled looking. So I've got 2 giant balls of that, so I can make a child one. I can probably make an adult. But we'll see. I may just keep children's ones. I'm not sure. And they may not come out until Christmas. Just maybe sort of Christmas gift types of things. I will be doing some Christmas gift things when the time comes. But I'm working on a very small table. This is well, it's 2 feet. My other one was wider. And my other one was much longer. My other one was 6 feet long. This one's about 3.5 4. This one I don't know if it's 2 feet across because it's got sort of dips on the side. Gary's table is there. It's actually quite nice. It's a good size go in here. And we do have lots of space in between for when my wheelchair to get through when we need to, and for people to come in and talk. When we set up the YouTube, I'll have to move this way a bit to put the light here, and we'll have the camera behind me in my head. So I'll have to kind of be really careful how I move. I might be able to swing around. Gary might be touching a lot for me. Yeah, I think it's going to look okay. I was trying to make it so that Gary and I were even with each other, but I had to move forward because we've brought a few more boxes, and I may move back again a little bit just so that we're even, so that it's easier to talk, because otherwise I have to keep turning my head. And because I have a broken neck, turning my head in that direction is uncomfortable. It's not broken, it's just uncomfortable. I can't turn it to myself as far that way as I can the other way comfortably. Anyway, so I may have to sit back a little bit just so we can talk. This is Crafty here. I hope you heard that. But it's okay. I mean, as long as we can sell a few things every week and make up the amount that we're doing a month and then some, we'd like to be able to pay for fuel as well. That would be good, because we do have to drive here in about an hour, whichever direction we go. But I think that, unless you've got something to check in, I think that's about it for right now. Just bringing you in on what we're doing and how we're set up and what it looks like. And I'll be working on my computer all day, doing whiteboards and putting stickers and things like that. I've just printed Gary's stickers off for the backs of his photos. They're on gold, so hopefully you can see that. Make it blind here. But they're on gold, and once they sort of dry and cool, then they can go on to the backs of his photos. You can just put one on each back of each one. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing with my cards. I have a set to myself that will go on to my card. And that way, we've claimed as designed by us, or done by us. Gary's are all copyrighted. I'm not bothering with copyright, just the cards they use. And then they usually get thrown away. So, and sometimes people keep handmade cards. Some people do, others don't. So, anyway, that I think is about it. So what I wanted to sort of start this series of videos. The videos are now going to not be so much travel. We'll put in some lifestyle videos because we're still in the motorhome. And if we move out of the motorhome, we'll still do lifestyle in whatever place we're in, so that you can kind of see where we are and things like that. But we won't do it too many. While we're in the motorhome, I don't know what's going to crop up. Neither one of us do. Yeah. So we're not really sure how often we'll be doing those sorts of videos anymore.
And the cards don't tell.
The cards don't tell us anything much. The cards, the way Gary reads, guide you in decision making and am I doing the right thing kind of thing. They're not predictive. So he doesn't claim to be a psychic. He has intuition. Reading minds is just not a way. So I think that's about it.
It is about it, but I am going to get up and come back to the camera. I'm going to zoom in on the picture.
Yeah.
On the back. So you
Just
can
to
see
show you a little closer, yeah.
And you look quite quick.
Yeah.
Before it gets busy in here.
Yeah. I hope it gets I hope it gets real busy.
There, that's all the pictures there that I've done, and now I have to put the labels on the back. So That's the project I have to buy for now.